Jack is back.
We're back, dude.
Yes, remember. Okay, got you guys. Seth. Gabe again. Let's see them posters.
There is a work to do
Another one.
that's been prepared for you
Dude, you got both hands free.
long before the world was made. You have the strength you need to cross the stormy sea that you will find along the way. He is your refuge from the storm,
Okay.
and you will never be alone. This is a great work that we've been given. This is a part of His grand design. So don't be weary, He will be with you, and He will lead you through the night. In this great work, this great work, this is a great work. If you give Him your heart, He'll show you who you are, and all His hopes and dreams for you. And when you follow Him, the great work will begin, and perfect love will win. This is a great work that we've been given. This is a part of His grand design. So don't be weary, He will be with you, and He will lead you through the night. In this great work, this great work, this is a great work. This is His work and glory. He walks you by His side, so He can help you find your place. In this great work that we've been given, this is a part of His grand design. So don't be weary, He will be with you, and He will lead you through the night. In this great work, this great work, this is a great work. In this great work, this great work, this is a great work.
I got rid of everything just so I could serve Him for 2 years, and I found true happiness. Nothing is more important than Jesus Christ. School, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, work, whatever it is, man, this is more important. This is more important. I found true joy. I found it, finally. It took me 18 years. I was hard-hearted when I was a kid, and I finally decided, I'm going to listen to my mom and dad, and my brothers. And I found it, man. I finally found it. It's in Jesus Christ. It's in serving Him, like Eli said. It's in serving your neighbors. It's in loving people. You will never find real happiness like you do serving God and becoming like Him. Because that's our goal. And no matter what people say about this church, no matter what people say about Joseph Smith, the Book of Mormon, I know it's true. Jack Bray knows it's true.